empty boxes is all I ever cared. Just so grateful for the gift. Should've known by shaking it there was nothing there for me. But to my surprise, as the ribbon hit the floor, I just truly could not believe there was nothing underneath. Don't know what I was looking for. Empty boxes can be so pretty to the eye, can be much lighter than you think. It will knock you off your feet to know it was all a lie. Oh, never know where you go, so you better fight. Let it go when you're wrong, so you better try. Then you learn you can't feel everything. Empty boxes, they're all over the floor. I think of every little thing that you ever did to me. I'll pack it up and cry no more. Please return to sender, 'cause I no longer live here anymore. You never find my new address, and I pray you do your best to find a space for you to stay.